Alright, we're going to Anvil, which I am at now, to look at a house you might possibly want to buy. If you haven't already bought it, it's a good house. This is it. It's pretty. Until you beat the ghosty thing. The thing is about this house, it's $5,000. Yeah. And it doesn't look like this when you buy it. So, if you hate ghosts on the game, I don't know what to tell you. So, yeah, there's a random table, like, in the middle of nowhere. You get that, and a book, and some thoughts. Again, don't do pot. Chair. Why we have a have a urn in there, God only knows. You get those with the cool horsey or whatever the hell it's called on it. You get that. You also get free food. My gay ass replica. Hopefully mostly everybody's bought this thing, so really no need for it. So, but we do it anyway. Warning, if you're afraid of scary ghosts in your basements, close your eyes. Just kidding. I already did the quest. Get a whole bunch of crap. You did get a lot of wine, but I kind of sold it all. Like $2 a piece. It's crappy. Very crappy. This is after you defeat the thing and you get to go in here. No ghosties anymore. Bones though. Okay. So yeah, that is whatever manor. I'm not going to try to pronounce that, because I know I can't. I don't want to make a fool of myself. And that is Crappy House that you should buy for cheap. Yeah, $5,000.